In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of how to seamlessly add users to your organization in Identity and Access Management. Within Identity and Access Management, IAM admins can effortlessly add new users to their organization while assigning roles simultaneously. Let's look at this step by step, how to add new users to your organization. As an IAM admin, when you log into the Identity and Access Management portal, you have an option to add new users to your organization. In the Users page of the Identity and Access Management portal, you will see this option of Add User. When you click on Add User, you will be prompted with this form and you have to fill all the user details of the user that you are trying to add to your organization. So let's enter that. I'm trying to add Frank J to my organization. The username field that you are entering needs to be unique. When you'll fill up all the mandatory attributes of this form, the next button will get enabled. So let me click on Next. In this page, you will be asked to select a resource on which you want to assign a role to this newly added user. Let me select my organization. In the next page, you will be presented with a list of roles that you want to assign to this newly added user on the resource that you selected in the previous screen. So let me select Fabric Cloud Router Manager. And when you click on Submit, this user will get added to your organization. In order to see this new user, you have to refresh the page once. Now you will see Frank J, we added to the organization, and Frank J has a Fabric Cloud Router Manager role assigned. One more thing that I want to highlight is the username of the user that you're trying to enter should be unique. So if I try to enter the username of the user which has already been taken by some another user, then in that case, I will get an error. So let me try to enter the same username of the user which I entered previously. In this case, you will select Next and click on Next and select the resource on which you need to assign a role. Select a role. Let me select Fabric Connection Manager. I can select. And when I click on Submit, I will get an error. The principal already exists. And the reason for that is because the username, what I entered was Frank2345, and that username was already taken by another user. So the tip is, whenever you're trying to add a new user to your organization, make sure that the username field is unique. This concludes this video. Thank you.